Hello, and thanks for watching the Postal Pleasures channel. Today I was just cleaning up my desk a little and I came across this unsearched package of what appears to be Bulgarian stamps. I figured it was a good opportunity to take a break from Iceland and Germany for the moment. And so let's see what we find here. I don't particularly focus on Bulgaria. We have a person. This looks like an older person here. Well, an older stamp with a person, to be specific. And another person. Here we have a mountain with a little snow on top. I don't know much about Bulgarian stamps. This is to be a slightly older one as well. And now we get into some modern. So here's a fantastic bird eating a fish from 1987. Here's another older one. Looks like it should be the same as the one above it. Here is a building with a snow-covered tree from 88. And here's a fantastic train. Look at that. Looks like 88 as well, if my eyes are correct. It looks like we have an airmail here, and that's really nice. A simple design, but quite nice. Let's look at the back of that. And it's mint unhinged as well. And let's see, here's another one. Again, older it looks like. And it looks like it's a village scene. Here's a stamp of a stamp. I believe from 79. And it looks like I have the orientation incorrect there. That's the correct orientation. A little confusing. And another stamp of a stamp. Here's a really nice flower from 85. This is a giant stamp, floral design from 82. Oh, here's a really nice, it's probably a series of bird dogs if I had to guess, because we have what looks like an Irish setter here and a duck, possibly a wood duck. I'm not great at identifying dogs or ducks. And here we have some seals. I do like sea life. Here's a building. Appears to be a famous woman. And a cat. Who doesn't like cats? Let's see, and another flower. That probably belongs in the same series as the flower above it there. This looks like a baby. Interesting stamp. Another famous person. Another famous person. Don't know who that is either. There's a stamp from most likely 85. Again, looking at the date. Sometimes the dates when it's arranged like that doesn't necessarily exactly agree with the date of the stamp. I feel like I have two here, yeah. Okay. So, famous person again. It's a little harder for me because at least with some of the languages I don't speak that aren't in Cyrillic letters, I can understand some of the words to know what I'm looking at. I'm guessing this is another airmail. Looks like an airplane overprint. That's quite interesting. Really bold overprint. And another famous person. So a nice small lot. This will be interesting to look up. Thanks for watching. If I find anything of great interest, I don't think I'll post highlights of this with values, but if I do find anything of interest afterwards as I'm cataloging them, I will put it in the comments. Thank you for watching.